Myself, Kashish Khandhar, a pre-CA foundation student. I cleared my CA foundation examination with a score of 331 marks. For that, I ensured that I complete the ICI module and Navkar spiral thoroughly and then practice the past papers. For conceptual clarities, I attended the lectures and appeared for as many exams as possible since I was appearing for my CA foundation examination along with 12th. But I was never hesitant to ask my doubts to the faculties at Navkar and appeared for the prelims taken at the end of the session. All this helped me boost my confidence, and the continuous paper writing practice helped me complete my papers on time. I mainly studied for 2 hours in the last 3 months, and in the last 20 days I studied for 10 hours. For maths, I kept a continuous practice, and for law, I mainly learned the head points, the main points and the sections thoroughly. And for accounts and economics, I kept a conceptual clarity. With all that, I kept a continuous reading practice for all of the subjects so that I do not forget the concepts and prepared short notes to be referred on the last day of the examination. To all, I would like to convey a message: follow the experience system of Navkar and you are surely to succeed. Thank you Navkar team for your continuous guidance and support.